Hi, in this lesson we're going to talk about solution. So how many types of solution do we have? Can you guess that? You're right, we have three types of solution: solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, so what is a solution? Now a solution in chemistry, it's any, it's a special homogeneous mixture that's composed of two or more substances. Again, a solution is a special type of a homogeneous mixture that's composed of two or more substances. So that's a solution. Now that's really interesting. Of course, we have different types of solution. We have, for example, the solution like you can think about it as a beverage. It's a solution. Salt and water, solution. Tea and sugar, it's a solution. But what is the really important? What's really important about solution? Like, what is the two important things that are in a solution, or that they make the solution? You're right. They're the solvent and the solute. What we said? Here's the solution. That's the solution. Two important things: solvent and solute. So those are the two important ideas: solvent and solute. What is a solvent? This is a really important question. A solvent is a substance that makes a solute that dissolves a solute. Again, a solvent is a substance that dissolves a solute. What does that mean? It means, imagine I have a solvent. So the solvent is going to make that solute dissolve in it. So the solvent is just making that solute dissolve in it. So it's just getting that solvent, like, yeah, as you said, dissolving. So that's a solvent. What about solute? Can you guess what is it? We said what is a solvent. What about solute? You are right. As you said, a solute, which is an easy question, is a thing that is a substance that dissolved or dissolves in a solvent. That's a solute and that's a solvent, as we said now. Okay, but I think now you have an idea in your head. Like you're saying, wait a minute. We said a solution is a special type of a homogeneous mixture that's composed of two or more substances. Okay, we got that in mind. But what makes us sure that this thing is a solution? Well, that's a pretty much, this is a smart question. How can we prove that that thing or that substance is solution? Using those three simple ideas. One, it should be homogeneous. Okay, homogeneous to the naked eye. Okay, so it should be homogeneous to the naked eye. Second thing, it should not or shouldn't scatter light. So it shouldn't scatter light. And the last thing, which is another important idea, it shouldn't or it cannot be filtered. What do I keep on saying? Shouldn't. It cannot be or can't be filtered. So one, It should be homogeneous to the naked eye. 2. Shouldn't scatter light. 3. Cannot be filtered. So if that substance that you have in a cup or anything matches those three ideas, then it is a solution. Okay, so as I said before, like a couple of seconds, it cannot be filtered. What do I mean? It means that if I put that substance in a filter, it won't break down, it won't turn to a it won't turn to the solute and solvent. It can't be separated. So if I put tea with sugar inside a filter, I won't find sugar grains in the top of that filter. No, they will still, or they will be together. So they cannot be filtered. But how can we separate them? Nice idea. A great question. 1. It can be distilled. 2. What should 2? It can be it can be separated using chromatography. So chromatography and distillation, there are two ways that are used to separate a solution. So that's pretty much about solutions. We reached the end of the video, and if you want to see a 3D model about a solution, you can just go down to the comment section. You'll find me putting, or I'll put us a link about a website that can show you 3D structures or 3D models with a video with a live movement. Like if you press something, it can move it. Okay, with that features, and you can use it to just look at solutions and know about them. So that's all about the lesson for today, and how it's useful. Now, of course, we're going to talk about chromatography and distillation in the next video that I'm going to upload. So the first video I'm going to upload is chromatography, then distillation. So that's all about the lesson for today, and hope it's useful.